It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside for a while and just smile. Just taking some clean, fresh air. Oh, no sense in staying inside. If the weather's fine and you got the time, it's your chance to wake up and plan another brand new day. Either way, it's a beautiful morning. Each bird keeps singing his own song. So long.
It's a weedy. Look at the patina on that. Thing was a good 8 inches in the ground. I have to wait till I get home and clean it up and see if I can get a date off of it. I don't know if you can see it down in the hole. Kind of dark down in there. It's the third one of these I've dug. Boy Scout tie pendant, whatever they call them. Webelow, I think, or something. Third one I've dug. The other ones I've dug have been Cub Scouts. This looks like a Scout, not sure. But I'll take it. I don't mind digging these. Here we have the roundup. I got $3 in quarters, 5 dimes, 9 nickels, 9 copper, 3 Wheaties, and this is a I don't know, token or whatever from the Bronx Zoo. And then the find of the day is the Boy Scout tie holder. I think they call them Webelows. This is after cleaning it for about a half hour with some copper polish and a lot of scrubbing. And here's a close-up on the pendant, badge, whatever it is. It's from the Bronx Zoo. It's copper. Ring like a zinc penny. But this is a nice find. I've got 3 of these so far.